This is next part of our chapter halogen derivatives. In previous video we had studied about functional group. What is functional group? It is a part of an organic molecule which undergoes change as a result of reaction. So we all know about the functional group now, that it is a part of an organic molecule which undergoes the change as a result of a reaction. Okay, so what is the definition of our topic halogen derivatives? These are the compounds formed by replacement of one or more hydrogen atom, from aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon, by one or more halogen atom, Which halogen atoms? The elements which are present in the 17th group of our periodic table are the halogens. Example: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Remaining two halogens are the radioactive elements. So we'll study about fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine only. So in today's lecture we are going to start with the classification of halogen derivatives. Classification of halogen derivatives. So basically halogen derivatives can be divided into two parts. That is, first one is based upon the hydrocarbon, based on the carbon skeleton, or hydrocarbon skeleton. First one is based on the carbon skeleton or hydrocarbon skeleton. Okay, and next one is based on the number of halogen atoms attached. Basically, the classification of halogen derivatives can be classified as: first one, based on the carbon skeleton of hydrocarbon; second, based on the number of halogen atoms attached. As we know that the halo atoms means fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. These are when attached to the hydrocarbons like alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, arenes. These become the halogen derivatives. So whenever the replacement of one hydrogen atom from the alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, arenes is done with the halogen atom, then that becomes a halogen derivative. For example, we will take one alkene. CH2 double bond, CH2 single bond, just a minute, CH2 double bond, CH2. When one of the hydrogen atom from this compound is replaced by halogen atom, what is X here? X is a halogen atom. It can be iodine, bromine, fluorine or chlorine. So whenever one of the hydrogen atom from the compound is replaced by halogen atom, it becomes the halogen derivative. Okay. So coming to the classification, first point, that is based on the hydrocarbons, we have 4 more classifications, like the classification of halogen derivative based on the hydrocarbons can be further classified as haloalkanes, second haloalkenes, third haloalkynes, and fourth one haloarenes. We know the hydrocarbons alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, arenes, all these are hydrocarbons. Whenever the halogen atom is attached to it, we call it haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne, and haloarenes. Let's take the example of haloalkane. This is the example of haloalkane. Whenever one of the hydrogen atom from the alkane, parent alkane, is replaced by halogen, it becomes haloalkane. So let us see ethane. From ethane, one of the hydrogen is replaced by, suppose, iodine. So it becomes iodoethane. It becomes iodoethane. Okay. Next is haloalkenes. So let's see one example. CH2 double bond CH2. Whenever one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen, it becomes haloalkene. Okay, it becomes haloalkene. So if we take the example of chlorine, it becomes chloroethene. It becomes chloroethene. So this is the haloalkene. What are haloalkenes? These are the compounds formed by replacement of one hydrogen atom from alkenes by halogen atom. For example, chlorine, they became haloalkenes. Okay. So let's see haloalkynes. What are haloalkynes? These are the compounds formed by replacement of one hydrogen atom by halogen atom. For example, let's see, if one of the hydrogen atom from alkyne is replaced by halogen atom, the formed compound is known as haloalkynes. What is X here? This is any halogen atom. Now let's see the example by attaching Br, that is bromine. It becomes bromoethine. It becomes bromoethine. So next is haloarenes. These are the compounds derived by replacement of one or more hydrogen atom or atoms by halogen atom in aromatic ring compounds. Let's see example of benzene. We all know the structure of benzene. Here at each carbon one of the hydrogen is attached. When one of these hydrogen is replaced by any halogen, it becomes haloarene. Let's see example with chlorine. Now this compound is known as chloroethane. benzene. Now this compound is known as chlorobenzene. So this is the classification of halogen derivatives based upon the hydrocarbons. Okay. Now let's come to next point, that is classification of halogen derivative based on the number of halogens attached. Classification of halogen derivatives based on the number of halogens attached can be seen in three parts. First is monohalogen derivatives. Second is dihalogen derivatives. Third is trihalogen derivatives. Okay. So what are monohalogen derivatives? These are the compounds in which one halogen atom is attached to the hydrocarbon. Okay. What are dihalogen derivatives? These are the compounds in which two halogen atoms are attached to the hydrocarbon. And what are trihalogen derivatives? These are the compounds in which three halogen atoms are attached to the hydrocarbons. Okay. So further, monohalogen derivatives are further classified as alkyl halides, allylic halides, benzylic halides, vinylic halides, haloalkyne, and last one aryl halides or haloarenes. Okay. Monohalogen derivatives are further classified in following 6 parts: alkyl halides, allylic halides, benzylic halides, vinylic halides, and haloalkyne. And last one is aryl halides or haloarenes. Alkyl halides are also known as haloalkanes. So there are some examples of all these compounds. So first see what are monohalogen derivatives. So these are the compounds formed by replacement of one halogen atom. Replacement of one hydrogen atom. By one halogen atom. Example, CH3, CH2, let's see, with X. Only one halogen atom is attached here. So this is monohalogen derivative. Now, what about dihalogen derivatives? These are the compounds in which two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two halogen atoms in single compound. Let's see the example. CH3, CHBr, or let's see with X only, CH and CH2X. These type of compounds are dihalogen derivatives. X can be any halogen, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now what about trihalogen compounds? These are the compounds in which three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three halogen atoms in the compounds. Okay, so let's see the example. CH3, CHX, CHX, CH2X. These type of compounds are known as trihalogen derivatives. Okay. So whenever there is a classification of any compound or any topic, we can make a chart of that classification so that we can easily remember all the terms in that. So I have prepared one chart. I suggest all the students should prepare the chart and study the classification of halogen derivatives. So this is the chart of halogen derivatives. In this, mainly the halogen derivatives are classified into two types, based on the hydrocarbons, based on the number of halogen atoms. Based on hydrocarbons, it can be further classified in four types: haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes and haloarenes. Based on the number of halogen atoms, it can be further classified as monohalogen compounds, dihalogen compounds and trihalogen compounds. Further, monohalogen compounds are classified as alkyl halides, allylic halides, benzylic halides, vinylic halides, haloalkyne and alkyl halide or haloarenes. Okay, so let's see monohalogen derivatives. In that, first one, alkyl halides or haloalkanes. These are the compounds formed as primary, secondary or tertiary monohalogen compounds. Definition of alkyl halides is: in haloalkanes, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is a part of saturated carbon skeleton. Alkyl halides may be primary, secondary or tertiary depending on the substitution state of the carbon to which halogen is attached. Okay, so alkyl halides have the attachment of halogen to such carbon which can be primary, secondary or tertiary. Okay, but this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Next is allylic halides. Examples of alkyl halides are written on this chart are CH2X or RCHXR or RC whenever the carbon is attached to 3 alkyl groups and 1 halogen, it is tertiary alkyl halide. Okay. So next is allylic halides. Allylic halides. In allylic halides, the halogen is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond. What are the allylic halides? In allylic halides, halogen atom, this halogen atom is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Whenever the halogen atom is attached to such carbon which is sp3 hybridized and which is further attached to carbon-carbon double bonded carbon, such compounds are allylic halides. Third one is benzylic halide. In benzylic halides, the halogen atom is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further bonded to an aromatic ring. Okay, in benzylic halides, halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Here, the carbon atom which is attached with the halogen is sp3 hybridized and which is further attached to a benzene ring. Such type of compounds are known as benzylic halides. Fourth one is vinylic halide. In vinylic halides, the halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Such type of compound are known as vinylic halides. Okay. Next is haloalkyne. When halogen atom is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom, it is haloalkyne. Example, CH triple bond CX. This halogen atom, X means halogen atom which is attached to the carbon which is triply bonded with another carbon. So this is sp hybridized carbon atom and such type of compounds are known as haloalkynes. Sixth one is aryl halide or haloarenes. In aryl halides, halogen atom is directly bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. Whenever the halogen is attached to any of the aromatic ring directly to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, this type of compounds are known as haloarenes. The hybridization we have already studied in 11th standard. Here I will remove this chart now. You should prepare your charts and study well. So I will stick it here only. Let's see what is sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization and sp hybridization. In this chart we have all three terms, sp3, sp2 and sp hybridization. In alkyl halides, the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. In vinylic halide, the halogen atom is attached to the sp2 carbon atom, and in haloalkyne, halogen atom is attached to the sp carbon atom. This carbon atom is sp carbon atom, sp hybridized carbon atom. So term hybridization is too long to explain here now. You all know about the hybridization. Let's conclude our topic here. So you all know what is classification of halogen derivatives now. So just revise in 1 minute. Classification of halogen derivatives is basically classified into two main types. based on the hydrocarbons, based on the halogen atom attached. Based on hydrocarbons, it can be further classified as haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes and haloarenes. Examples are written here. Based on the number of halogen atoms, the halogen derivatives can be classified in 3 types: monohalogen compounds, dihalogen compounds, trihalogen compounds. From this, monohalogen compounds can be further classified in 6 parts, that is allylic halide or haloalkane, alkyl halide or haloalkane, allylic halides, benzylic halides, vinylic halides, haloalkyne and aryl halide or haloarenes. In this, alkyl halides can be further classified as primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides or tertiary alkyl halides. So this is the classification of halogen derivatives. Next part of this chapter is nomenclature, which we will study in next class. Till then, study this chart, prepare this chart and try to make notes of yourself. Thank you.